Is this the best new tool for content creators? Meet the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a compact 4K camera with a ton of features that every content creator will love. In fact, I think that this camera can replace your entire vlogging setup. It features a 1-inch sensor to capture high quality content, and the 2-inch rotatable screen allows you to easily switch between portrait and landscape mode. The 3-axis gimbal flips around when you want to vlog or take selfies, and there are a bunch of creator modes like Active Track, which detects your face and keeps you sharp and in focus as you move around. Plus, there's digital zoom up to 4x when in video mode. The video quality is impressive, and the gimbal allows you to get cinematic shots with no effort at all. These are some shots I took around my apartment when I was testing everything out, and I can't wait to get outside and keep using it. In the creator bundle, you also get a mic and a tripod that screws into the bottom of the camera when you're stationary or you just want to vlog. The bundle also came with this really nice bag that fits all of the accessories, plus this hard case to put the camera in for safekeeping. It protects the gimbal and the screen perfectly. It's hard to believe how much is packed into this tiny camera and that it easily can fit into your pocket or handbag. Check out my storefront in my bio if you want to learn more about the Osmo Pocket 3.